Oh my god, it's lit on fire! Yes, it did! Look in the microwave!
What? Ah!
Oh!
Let's put it in for longer.
Oh!
It's getting bigger. Maybe it'll completely ignite.
Oh
Can you see it in a video?
No!
Oh, try zooming in. Go up to the window with it.
No!
I'll go up to the window.
Open it, and then they can see it.
No, let's make it a little bit more funny. I'm gonna get my camera. Watch it.
What if it explodes? It's just lit on fire. Oh. I'm getting away from this thing. Shit. Shit. Brian! The phone flew up inside! I don't know, I'm not going near it.
Why? What did it do?
It just popped and then the whole thing went poosh, and like fire like went through the edges and it was like, oh, get it out!
Oh, let's open it now.
Oh, it exploded.
Poor phone.
By the way, don't back away from it.